2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a whole house clean with me. I did not clean this entire weekend, so my house definitely needs some tender, loving care. Today I am bringing to you double the cleaning motivation because this video is in collab with Vantazia from This Life of Mine. She is a wife and a stay-at-home mom with 3 beautiful babies. She does some amazing cleaning videos, you guys. Her cleaning videos are bomb, so I know you will definitely enjoy her channel. So make sure after you finish watching my video, you go and check out Vantazia's channel. I will be linking her channel down in the description box. You will not regret it. You will definitely enjoy. Once you go over to her channel, let her know that I sent you and that I said hi.
I know you don't want me, 'cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real.
So guys, I literally washed clothes that Friday and today is Monday and I have a whole bunch of more clothes to wash. I don't understand where all these clothes come from. So most of my clothes, I actually wash it on cold water setting, except for like towels and sheets and of course white clothes. I wash those on hot, but everything else is on cold water setting. Really quickly, I want to show you my cleaning caddy. I got this last year from Target Dollar Spot. You know when they have their spring cleaning line, and I only got one. Now I wish I had more. But now that I got Cricut Machine, I'm going to put a label on here. Don't know what I'm going to put on there yet. You know what? Comment down below what I should put on this cleaning caddy. So I got my microfiber cloths in here. I got the Dollar Tree magic erasers. These work so good because my kids' doors sometimes have those scuff marks on there. Paper towels for the mirror. Then I have the Home and Planet cleaner. This smells so good. It's lavender and argan oil. And one of my favorite glass cleaners is this one, the Spray Away brand, and the just had a brain fart. The Great Value duster, which works amazing. Also, I want to show you in each one of my kids' room, they all have an air purifier, and this is why I have it, because this is what it gets off the air. And I clean this thing about once a week. As you can see how dirty it gets from all the dust in the room. So as all of my children have asthma, this is something that is like a must-have. So is it weird, guys? This is like my favorite room of the house, my daughter's room. I actually do not mind spending time in here because I actually put the effort in decorating her room, but on a cheaper budget, like furniture, old messed up furniture, I remade and repainted and spray painted and just thrifted a lot of stuff and just painted a lot of things. So I take pride in her room. So now I am dusting my boys' room. Their room is literally the dustiest room of the house. I don't know why, it just is. So of course I have an air purifier in their room, and soon I will be showing you what that looks like. But I dust pretty frequently upstairs, at least once a week, if not twice, but most of the time it's at least once a week, and it still catches a lot of dust. Right here, I'm cleaning the mirror and the countertops with my DIY cleaner, which is 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, and 30 drops of essential oils, whichever one you prefer. But except for the toilet, now the toilet, I use Clorox cleaning spray. I don't budge when it comes to that. My kitchen wasn't too dirty. I do make sure to follow through with my nighttime routine with making sure I go to sleep with a clean kitchen, but I am putting away the dirty breakfast dishes, so I'm putting those in the dishwasher and just cleaning up after breakfast. Now I'm going to sweep the floor so that I can mop.
what's left of me. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know.
Okay, y'all, comment down below if you make your bed every day.
Everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Now it's time to fold the laundry. I don't fold my son's clothes. I put all of their clothes in their basket and I take it upstairs. And once they get home, they do what they have to do and they go ahead and put their own clothes away.
I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon.
So luckily for me, I did not have to do a lot of cleaning in my living room, just a little dusting. But half the clip of me cleaning the living room was, I guess I didn't click to record or something, but I did dust a little bit in the living room.
Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
That will be it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go over to Vantazia's channel and check her out. I will be leaving her link down in the description box. And if you came over from Vantazia's channel, comment down below so I can say hi, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and see you on the next one, guys. Bye.